Hi guys, this is Raymond again and welcome dito sa Noy Finance. So recently, I received a lot of requests asking me to do a video about best credit cards for beginners for 2024. And ako masasabi ko, I'm very excited to do this kind of video kasi katulad nyo, ito rin yung pinaka-favorite ko talagang ginagawang video. So every year parang naging tradition na natin to, no? So naglilista tayo ng mga tingin natin best credit cards for beginners every year. Pero syempre based on my opinion lang naman. Base yan syempre number one, dapat madaling applyan yung credit card, no? Meaning hindi ganun kataas yung kanilang hinihinging income requirement. And of course number two, hindi syempre dapat required na meron ka ng existing na credit card. Pero syempre kahit ganun, kahit pang beginner lang tong credit card na to, hindi siya tinipid when it comes to benefits and features ng credit card. That's why we considered it as a best credit card for beginners. And speaking of beginners, what we mean by that is of course number one, dapat hindi ka pa nagkakaroon ng credit card ever. Number two, you're at least 21 years old. Although sa ibang banks, I think nag-a-accept na sila ng mga 18 years old lang. Okay? And of course, lastly, number 3, dapat meron kang steady source of income. So ano pang hinihintay natin? Simulan natin at number 1, best credit card for beginner for 2024 is the Union Bank Q Visa Platinum. This credit card is actually the replacement ni Union Bank dun sa Citi Simplicity Plus card. And kung matatandaan nyo, si Citi Simplicity Plus card talagang very consistent na napapasama sa best credit cards for beginners natin. Until na nga lang nung in-acquire ni Union Bank si Citibank, so I think it's just fitting na ilagay natin tong credit card na to sa ating best credit cards for beginners. I'm sure very familiar na kayo sa credit card na to na walang annual fee, walang over limit fee, at walang late payment fee. And lastly, meron pa siyang 10% interest rebate. So for example, hindi mo nabayaran yung total amount due mo, pero nabayaran mo at least yung minimum amount due mo on or before the due date, so makakatanggap ka ng 10% rebate dun sa interest na matatanggap mo. This credit card can really help beginners like you kasi most of you hindi pa talaga familiar when it comes to due dates, hindi pa kayo familiar sa mga over limit spending, and iba-iba pa. And most of you, I think, is nagbe-build pa lang ng credit score, so it really helps kung yung credit card nyo is walang annual fee. So if you're interested to apply for this credit card, just check the link in the description para pag nag-apply ka and approve ka, makakatanggap ka ng welcome gift. Isa pang credit card na walang annual fee, provided na makapag-apply ka sa kanila until August 31 is the Metrobank Titanium Mastercard. Now for this credit card, what I really like is yung kanilang reward system where you can earn 1 point for every 20 pesos spending lang, no? So which is, I think, isa sa pinakamababa talaga. Tapos magto 2 times pa yung points mo kapag yung transaction mo falls under department store, dining, and online transactions. Which most of us talaga naman ngayon, halos puro online na yung mga transaction natin. So imagine you can earn 1 point for every 10 pesos spending lang, no, sa mga online platforms katulad ni Lazada, ni Shopee. Then those points pwede mong gamitin to redeem gift checks, discount vouchers, or even pambayad directly dun sa credit card mo. Kaya kung interested ka to apply for this credit card, again, check the link in the description, and kapag na-approve ka, you will receive a welcome gift from Moneymax and of course Metrobank. And ngayon, meron ding promo si Metrobank wherein if you apply until August 31 and na-approve ka, then you spend at least 180,000 for a year, which is around 15,000 pesos per month, mawi-waive na yung annual fee mo. Another credit card na walang annual fee is the PNB CLO Mastercard. Itong credit card na to, if I'm not mistaken, hindi pa siya nawawala sa listahan natin for best credit cards for beginners. Well, for obvious reasons, kasi katulad din siya ni Union Bank Q Visa Platinum na walang annual fee, walang late payment fee, and walang over limit fee. Tapos yung finance charge niya, which is normally around 3%, for this credit card, 2.5% na lang. And upon checking, they only require a minimum annual income of 120,000 pesos or 10,000 pesos per month, which I think makes this credit card very suitable sa mga beginner credit card holders. I think if I'm not mistaken, pati nga yung minimum amount due nito na nire-require is lower compared sa ibang mga credit cards. Isa pang credit card na talagang mainstay or talagang nakikita natin palagi every year sa ating best credit card for beginners is the AUB Easy Mastercard. So itong credit card na to, sobrang flexible. Imagine, pwede kang mamili kung ilang beses ka magbabayad sa isang buwan. So pwede kang magbayad once a month, Gusto mo twice a month or even weekly. Which is a great help lalo na sa mga beginner credit card holders na nagbabudget talaga, no? Gusto nila na naka-budget yung 15-30 na sahod nila. This feature really helps. Tapos ikaw na rin yung magsasabi kung magkano yung gusto mong minimum amount due. Gusto mo ba 500? 1,000, ikaw ang bahala. Ultimo due date, ikaw na rin ang mamili. So kung gusto mo, mamili ka 15 o 30 o kung kailan man yung sahod mo, pwede mong itapat doon para ma-make sure mo na hindi mo mamimiss yung payment. And on top of that, this credit card is actually no annual fee for life. Kaya sobrang sulit itong credit card na to and hindi talaga nakakapagtaka na palagi siyang kasama sa best credit cards for beginners. Another credit card that can really help beginner credit card holders lalo na pagdating sa pag-iipon ng points is the Union Bank Rewards Visa. With this credit card, you can earn 1 point for every 30 pesos spending, pero kung yung transaction mo is shopping and dining, it will be times 3. So napakaganda nitong credit card na to sa mga mahilig mag-dining and of course mag-shopping, hindi lang locally, pati abroad yan. Actually, this credit card is another replacement, no, of Union Bank sa isang Citi credit card which is the Citi Rewards card. So, I really think it's good na ni-retain talaga ni Union Bank yung features ng mga credit card ni Citi. So, kung interested din kayong mag-apply for this credit card, again, check the link in the description and kapag na-approve ka, you will receive a welcome gift from Moneymax which is 4,000 pesos EGC when you spend at least 10,000 pesos within 60 days from approval. And kapag naman nakapag-spend ka ng 20,000 pesos within 60 days from approval, you will enjoy no annual fee for life. Meron din mga credit cards na I think maganda for beginner credit card holders, kaya lang hindi natin siya sinama sa listahan natin for various reasons. So number 1 na dyan si Zcard, no? So maybe familiar na kayo kay Zcard na wala nga daw interest, walang foreign transaction fees, walang annual fees, tapos, meron pa siyang unlimited virtual card, okay? Ang problema, hindi ka makapag-apply kasi nga mahaba daw yung waiting list. But let's say, naging available na to sa market and yung features siya talaga is ganon, okay? So, hindi lang siya maganda for beginner credit card holders, but to all credit card holders, no? Another option, lalo na alam naman natin na kahit na pasok ka dun sa requirement na hinihingi ng credit card, minsan hindi ka talaga na-approve. Kasi nga, wala ka pang existing na credit card or wala ka pang existing credit history. So, isa pa talagang option is a secured credit card. Kasi sa secured credit card, talagang mabibuild mo yung credit history mo and eventually, magiging available na sa'yo yung mga regular credit cards. So those are the best credit cards for beginners for 2024 in my opinion, okay? Pero kung meron kang gustong ipalitan, meron kang gustong idagdag or alisin dun sa listahan natin, I hope you can leave a comment below para syempre the next time makonsider natin. And for those of you beginners na hindi pa talaga nakakakuha, hindi pa na-approve ng regular credit card, so still just be patient lang, no, and of course maintain your good credit status. Yung inyong mga financial status is i-maintain nyo lang kasi eventually mag-open up din yan. And that's it guys, I hope marami kayong natutunan and of course nagustuhan nyo yung listahan natin for this year's best credit cards for beginners. And kung nagustuhan nyo, I hope of course to ma-like nyo tong video na to, of course share this to your friends. And I'll see you in the... Again, this is Raymond from Noy Finance and I'll see you in the next video.